Hello guys, magsha-shoutout tayo at saka magsha-share ng video sa inyo. Ito po yung YT friends ko na nag-comment sa video ko. So, shoutout and then I will share your video. Okay. Dito tayo sa nanood sa laptop. Ito. So, shoutout tayo. Okay. Bawan. Maglulod muna tayo ha. Number 1 sa shoutout si King Retro Gaming Entertainment. Shoutout my friend. We will shared one video to my community page, my friend. Okay. So for you, Mr. King Retro, let's share your video, copy and paste, copy, then post. So, shared ko na ang video ni Mr. King Retro. Shout out my friend. Thank you for watching. Okay, this is his page. More on music review. Next on the list is relaxing noises. He has this page has the 500 subscriber. Please do support. So the last video was 3 months ago. It's okay. Okay, this is we will share your video, ma'am, or sir. Next is Matt Kong channel. More on, I think, games. We'll share one video. Okay, this video. Okay. Next is my very best friend, loyal followers, Nature's Beauty. Then we will send this one. I think we should choose the latest video. copy, paste. Here you go. Next is my friend Borpiyuga, uncle. Okay. Now in Barcelona. This one. We will share this video. Okay. Okay. Next is Rudolph Oy. This one is the latest video of Rudolph Oy. Let's copy the latest video. Mm, share that so, so that my followers and YT friends can support your channel also. Next is Upsal Family Vlog. Shout out trip to London. Back to school. Okay, more on family vlog. Please do check this channel, and I will share one of his of, of their video. One video. Mhm. There you go. Shared already. The next is Gopal Lembo. We're on singing Nepalese song. Mhm. So let's share your videos there. One video. And then, okay. Okay. That's it. There you go. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll make another video for this.